Do you want the exact steps on how you can turn your passion into profits? Well, I'm sure you said yes. Stick around because in this video I will guide you through the exciting journey of transforming what you love into a sustainable income. If you want to see more videos like this and get tips and methods to turn your passion into profits, then go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Okay, so let's get started. We are going to explore various strategies, from creating engaging content to leveraging social media platforms. Whether you're an artist, a writer, or a fitness enthusiast, there are countless opportunities waiting for you. Join us as we dive into practical tips and inspiring success stories that will motivate you to monetize your passions effectively. Step 1. Identifying your passion is a first crucial step toward monetizing it online. Start by reflecting on activities that excite you and bring genuine joy. Think about the skills or hobbies you excel at, such as photography, writing, or crafting. What do you love doing in your free time? Make a list of potential passions to explore further. This process not only helps clarify what you truly enjoy, but also sets the foundation for turning those interests into profitable ventures. Embrace this opportunity to discover what makes you thrive. Step 2. Researching market demand is essential for turning your passion into profits. Start by using tools like Google Trends to gauge interest in your chosen passion. This will help you understand how popular your idea is and if it has growth potential. Next, explore social media platforms to see what content resonates with audiences. Pay attention to trends and engagement levels. Finally, identify potential competitors in your niche and analyze their offerings. This research will provide valuable insights, helping you position yourself effectively in the market. Step 3. Choosing the right online platform is vital for sharing your passion. Start by deciding between options like YouTube, Etsy, or a personal blog depending on your content type. Consider where your target audience spends their time. This will help you reach them effectively. Evaluate the pros and cons of each platform for your passion. For instance, YouTube is great for video content, while Etsy is perfect for handmade goods. A personal blog allows for in-depth storytelling. Selecting the right platform will enhance your visibility and engagement. Step 4. Creating engaging content is key to capturing your audience's attention. Start by developing a content plan that showcases your passion effectively, ensuring consistency and relevance. Utilize high-quality visuals and compelling storytelling techniques to make your content stand out. Whether it's videos, blog posts, or product listings, aim to evoke emotions and connect with viewers. Additionally, engage with your audience through comments and feedback, fostering a sense of community. This interaction not only builds loyalty, but also provides valuable insights to refine your content strategy further. Step 5. Monetizing your passion opens up exciting opportunities for income. Start by exploring options like affiliate marketing, selling products, or generating ad revenue through your chosen platform. If you have expertise to share, consider creating online courses or workshops that provide value to your audience. This not only establishes you as an authority, but also creates additional revenue streams. Additionally, setting up a Patreon or membership site can offer exclusive content to your most dedicated fans, fostering a deeper connection while generating consistent income. Embrace these strategies to turn your passion into profit. Step 6. Promoting your work is essential for growing your audience and increasing visibility. Start by utilizing social media platforms to share your content and engage with followers, creating a vibrant online community. Regularly post updates, behind-the-scenes glimpses, and interactive content to keep your audience interested. Collaborating with other creators can also expand your reach, allowing you to tap into new audiences and share resources. Additionally, consider investing in online advertising to attract a larger audience. These strategies will help elevate your presence and drive more traffic to your passion project. So, turning your passion into profits involves identifying what excites you, researching market demand, and choosing the right online platform. Creating engaging content and promoting your work are crucial steps in this journey. Remember, following your passion not only brings fulfillment but also opens doors to financial opportunities. Now is the time to take action and start your journey toward monetization. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe, like, and share for more valuable content that can guide you on your path to success.